5 easy natural cleaning tips that you need to know. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos below for tips on how to make cleaning fun and less intimidating. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home for a fraction of the price. Plenty of natural, cheap, quick, helpful and cheerful cleaning tips using everything from tin foil to vinegar and lemons that should save you time and money when you clean your home. Here are some easy cleaning tips that you need to know. 1. Use a wet rubber glove to remove pet hair. A damp washing up glove can easily be dragged over soft furnishings like sofas and curtains. 2. Use baby oil to remove fingerprints from stainless steel. Baby oil isn't just for smoothing and soothing skin, it's actually a whiz at lifting grease too. If the hood of your cooker, or other stainless steel appliances, are grubby with finger marks, pop a small amount of baby oil onto a clean, microfiber cloth and give them a wipe. 3. Use an old toothbrush for cleaning your bathroom. Don't throw away your old toothbrush, it can be a really useful tool. Give it a rinse in boiling water to get rid of any germs, and use it to get into nooks and crannies that your vacuum cleaner can't reach. It's especially handy in the bathroom, for cleaning hard-to-reach areas around the tap or drain. 4. Use ketchup to shine your copper pans. Copper is having a moment in fashion right now, and copper pans are a gorgeous way to modernize your kitchen. If they get dirty after use, there's a cheap solution hiding in your cupboard. Humble tomato sauce is actually great for cleaning, and will make copper pans shine after a quick rub. 5. Get rid of burning smells with salt. Burnt your dinner? If the house now smells of burning, just sprinkle some salt over your burnt pans or any food mess to reduce it. Then cut your losses and order a takeaway. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.